द हरप्रीत सिंह शो के अज के इस एपीसोड में आप सब का कर रहा हार्दिक स्वागत। अज के इस प्रोग्राम में थोड़ी मुलाकात करवा जा रहा प्रीमियर क्रिस्टी क्लार्क नाल, जिहड़े कि ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया के प्रीमियर हैं। तकरीबन 1 साल हो गया इन्होंने एज प्रीमियर इस पोस्ट के उत्ते आए हुए। इन्होंने वालों किहड़ियां इन्हां दी अचीवमेंट्स ने, किहड़े चैलेंजेस विचों लंघ रहे हैं, तो खास तौर पर इन्हां दी पर्सनल लाइफ बारे भी आओ कुछ जानकारी लैने। लेट्स वेलकम प्रीमियर क्रिस्टी क्लार्क। वेलकम टू द प्रोग्राम।
I am delighted to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Premier, we would like to know a little bit. We know a lot of things what you have done as Premier, but before that, a little bit your background. Where were you born? What's your background in education? And especially, you were also in the media also for some time. So, if you could take us back into this journey.
Well, I was born and raised in Burnaby. My dad was a public school teacher and a school counselor at Burnaby Edmonds. And, you know, I had a pretty middle class upbringing. My mom was a stay-at-home mom. I was the youngest of 4 kids. And then I ended up kind of getting into politics because I was a volunteer. I cared about my community and I wanted to volunteer for candidates. And then I ended up getting into politics as a candidate. And then I quit, went into the media, had my own talk show,
Right.
which is very exciting. On the radio, though, I think it's very different from being in TV. And then I got back into politics after that. So it's been kind of a back and forth in some parts of my life. But you know, the thing is that I think people look at politicians and think we are, people who get into politics are somehow different.
Right.
And in fact, politics in British Columbia is a profession of amateurs. People don't want to elect professional politicians. They want to elect
Right.
teachers and doctors and small business people and stay-at-home moms and radio talk show hosts.
As a politician, when we talk about you jumped into this because you were called by the leader of the opposition, and many a times what we are seeing is that the profile of the politicians is all across the world, especially here also in the communities, it's going down. You work hard, you spend a lot of time, every politician, but when it comes back to when we analyze what has been done or what not has been done, so generally the profile is going down. Why do you feel that is the reason?
Well, I think partly because politics is so negative. And so, you know, I mean, I think, you know, I'm attacked every day and it's very negative. And I think, you know, for most people, all that negativity, it's not, you know, it's not like something that just sticks to me or to the, you know, it sticks to the people who are attacking me. It sticks to my opposition. It sticks to, you know, I think it sticks to the profession as a whole. So I think that's part of it. That was one of the reasons that as soon as I became premier, the first thing I did was raise the minimum wage.
Right.
Because I wanted to make the point to people that when I make a promise, and that was a big promise, I keep it as fast as I can. And I also felt like that was the most important promise to keep right away because I wanted your average person to know that I'm thinking about their interests and their families, improving their families.
Right.
And so that was an important thing to do for public policy reasons, because it helped a lot of people, I think. But I think raising the minimum wage was an important thing to do symbolically too.
Now, again, this is one of the major achievements what you have done in the past 1 year. There were many other promises also which you made before coming up as the Premier of British Columbia. But before that, let's talk a little bit about your personal life also, when you're spending so much time in office work also and spending time with family also, and especially your child. He's growing up and he's now probably 10 or 12. So how do you spend, because you're one of the reasons for leaving politics was that you wanted to spend some time with your child and family also. Now in this particular kind of job, do you get some time for family life also?
I do. It's less though than I'd like, right? And I think that's true for a lot of people who are busy.
Right.
I travel a lot, but Hamish has his dad too. And it's been a challenge though. And you know, when I was deciding whether or not I would run, I at first thought, you know, people phoned me and said, Christy, you need to run. We need to have a free enterprise government that cares about small business, that's going to make sure there are jobs out there for people. And we need you to do that in order to make sure we succeed. So I thought about it. I thought, you know what? I don't want to spend that much time away from Hamish. But then I realized that if I didn't run, I was setting maybe a worse example for him. Because if I didn't run, what I was doing is I was choosing to take the easy path. I was choosing to turn away from taking on a very difficult challenge because I didn't want to have my life be hard.
Right.
And I didn't think that was an example I wanted to set for my son. I thought it was better for him to understand that if you want to make a difference for people, it's going to be hard. And all the things in the world that you can do that are going to make the biggest difference are going to be the hardest things to do.
Right. Great. We'll continue with our discussion. We'll go for a small break. ਲੈਣੇ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੀ break ਵਾਪਸ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਟੀ ਕਲਾਰਕ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁਣ ਤੱਕ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਚੋਂ ਆਏ ਅਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਸਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਇੱਕ ਟੀਚਰ ਸਨ ਅਤੇ ਮਦਰ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਸਨ ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਫਿਰ ਫੈਡਰਲ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਏ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਾਲ ਆਈ ਕਿ ਬ੍ਰਿਟਿਸ਼ ਕੋਲੰਬੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਕੇ 1996 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੜਨ ਇਹ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੜੇ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਟਾਕ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕ੍ਰਿਸਟੀ ਕਲਾਰਕ ਸ਼ੋਅ CKNW ਤੇ ਆਇਆ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੁੜ ਤੋਂ ਇਸ ਲੀਡਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਰੇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਦਮ ਪੁੱਟਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 1 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਮੁੱਖ ਮਕਸਦ ਇਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵਾਅਦੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਵੇਜ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਉਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੱਖ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੱਡਾ ਕਦਮ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਿ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਸ਼ੀਅਨਸ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਾਈਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਘਟਦੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਹੋਰ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ